In today's video, I'm going to teach you copy whole pages in Canva. If you're building a multi-page design and want to repeat a layout without rebuilding it from scratch, copying a whole page is the fastest and most reliable way to keep your design consistent. This keeps every element, your background, text, images, and spacing, in the exact same arrangement, so you can simply tweak the content and move on. Start by heading to your project in Canva. Open the design where you want to duplicate a layout. Once you're inside, look for the page thumbnails. You'll see them displayed as small previews of each page, arranged below your main canvas. These thumbnails are essentially mini versions of each page and are the easiest place to manage whole page actions like copying. To copy a page, move your cursor over the thumbnail of the page you want to duplicate. Right-click directly on that thumbnail to bring up the context menu. From there, click the copy option. That's it. You've just copied the entire page. Canva captures the whole page exactly as it is, so every element stays perfectly aligned and styled. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can do the same thing by first clicking the page thumbnail once to make sure it's selected. Then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Using the shortcut is especially handy when you're working quickly through multiple pages. If the copy doesn't register, click the thumbnail again to confirm it's selected and try the shortcut once more. A quick tip: make sure you're clicking the page thumbnail itself, not an individual element on the canvas. If only one object is outlined on the main page, that means you've selected an element, not the page. The copy action we're using today works on the page level, so selection needs to happen on the thumbnail. Another helpful habit is to check the page number or the thumbnail preview before copying, especially in longer designs. This prevents duplicating the wrong page and saves you from cleanup later. Copying whole pages is a powerful workflow trick for branding, presentations, reports, and social media series. It ensures your spacing, typography, and visual rhythm stay consistent while giving you the flexibility to update text or swap images quickly. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, find the page thumbnails, and either right-click and choose Copy, or click the thumbnail and use Ctrl+C. With these two options, you can move confidently through your design and keep your pages consistent with minimal effort.